through that, some people would be scared of that test. Okay. Here are common symptoms of someone with inner ear weakness. It's not in there. You can write it in. Okay. So, they bend over and they come up. They come up, they're already up, and they're still feeling like they're still coming up. You know why that is? Supposedly, the inner ear already should be accurately telling the brain in real time how fast you were going up, and what direction and how fast. But if the inner ear is weak, there's a lag, there's a delay in the relay of this information from the inner ear to the brain. So the brain thinks you're already up here, the brain still thinks you're still coming up. That's why you're doing one of these. Or how about someone who's walking down a sidewalk and they turn their head and they start doing one of these. Especially if you quickly turn your head left and right. That's another thing, that's another sign of inner ear weakness. How about someone walking on uneven ground? Especially later in the day, where it's getting a little darker. Even the same thing during the middle of the night, just walking to your bathroom. If you have to start doing one of these, right? That's possible there. That's inner ear weakness right there. Okay, so now, let's go to number 5.